Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to insert YouTube video in PowerPoint. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert YouTube video in PowerPoint, go to your browser and browse your desired video and then click on the share icon on your YouTube video and here select the start time. I am selecting the start time 15 seconds and look, you will find the start time in the link here. This is the start time. Okay, now copy the link. The link is copied. Close this window and go to PowerPoint, and here in PowerPoint click on insert tab, then click on video, click on online videos, paste the online video. I'm going to paste here and the video will be loaded. The video is loaded. Now click on insert and the video is inserted in. Now you can resize the video. I'm going to maximize it, and if you want you can change the position, and then if you want to change the cover, click on video format and then click on poster frame, click on image from file and then click on from a file. If you want to insert an image from this PC, or if you want to insert image from online source, just choose the online source from here. I am inserting from my computer. Click on the first option and I'm going to select a image and then click on insert. The image is selected, and if you want you can change the video style. This is the easiest way to insert YouTube video on PowerPoint. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.